Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh district Jhansi. I have completed my graduation in BTech in mechanical stream from Anand Engineering College, which is affiliated to Abdul Kalam Technical University. After that, I was searching for a job. Then I got to know about eVision Technoserve Private Limited. eVision Technoserve Private Limited, it's a IT recruitment and consultancy. And in eVision Technoserve, I had a full-day job internship under the guidance of Mr. Ganesh Murthy sir. The internship program consists of CCNA, networking, server administration, cyber security, ITIL, etc. In server administration, I learned the topic like domain joining, DHCP, DNS, work group, and various troubleshooting like Windows troubleshooting and network troubleshooting. In CCNA, I learned the topic like routing and switching and various routing protocols. And regarding for cybersecurity, I learned the topic like various hacking and cracking passwords by using Kali and Linux. In ITIL also I learned the topic like SLA, OLA, incident request, service request, and ticketing tool knowledge, etc. After that, I thankful to the eVision team who had worked hard with me and who supported me, who motivated me, and because of them only I got selected in WIPRO, and my yearly package is 2.6 LPA, and my job location is Gurugram. And the in I had in eVision Technoserve there are very good trainers and placement teams. I thankful to the Mr. Rahul Das sir and the placement team ma'am like Sonali ma'am, Anamika ma'am, Sati ma'am, Sunita ma'am, who had cooperated with me and motivated me, and the last and not the least, Mr. and our manager and administrator, Mr. Ganesh Murthy sir, who are very helpful to us and who motivated me to get in MNCs, and they had a very good knowledge regarding for the students to provide them in a good companies. So I refer to all the candidates who are in need of a job, they can join eVision and they get a good placement in MNC. Thanks to all guys, and bye bye.